at my house, guys. Damage. The water get inside my house. Oh my God. Look at my floor, guys. Oh, my kitchen is kanang kuan. Damaged roof. My kitchen is damaged the roof, guys. Oh, look at. Look at my floor, guys. Very